Hey, Paul here from Democritou.com, and welcome to my self-made entrepreneurship channel. Here you will find success mindset, entrepreneurship, and sales training videos to help you succeed in life and business. You will also find rare interviews with some of the most successful people around the world to help you succeed no matter what industry you're in. Now, if it's your first time here, I'm an entrepreneur, sales and marketing expert, and author. I also do video production, I'm an advisor in the blockchain industry, and I'm a cancer survivor. As a matter of fact, I started this channel while I was fighting cancer just 3 years ago. Listen, my goal is to help you succeed in life and business, to help you get on the right path, to help you achieve what you are destined to achieve. It was a promise when I started this channel. So if you are or want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to succeed in life and business, if you want to crush it in sales, start now by subscribing down below. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you don't miss anything. That way I can help you achieve your goal, and maybe you can help me achieve mine with this YouTube channel. What are you still doing here? Go watch some of my videos. If you want to watch sales training videos and sales science videos, check out this playlist right here. Or if you prefer entrepreneurship videos, then check out this playlist right here. Don't forget to comment so I know you're around, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep succeeding.